Good morning, all. Myself K. Kumaresan, working as an assistant professor in KSL College of Engineering. Now we are discussing SQL commands, structured query language commands. That is that are instruction. It is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific task, function, and queries of data. And second one is the SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to tables, and drop the table and modify the table. And last one is set permission for user. There are so many types. There are 5 types. First one is DDL command, DML command, DCL command, TCL command, and final one is DQL command. And then here SQL command, DDL command, that is data definition language. There are create, drop, alter, and truncate. And DML, data manipulation language, that are inserting the value, update the value, or delete the values or field. And next one is DCL, data control language. That is, there are two. First one is grant and revoke. And another one is TCL, transaction control language. And then first one is commit, rollback, and save point. And last one is DQL, data query language. There are one command are used, that is select. These are the SQL commands. So first we have discussed about data definition language, that is DDL. That means that change the structure of the table, like creating a table, deleting a table, alter a table, and etc. And second one is all the commands of DDL are auto committed. That means it permanently save all the changes in the database. And here the already previously create, alter, drop, and truncate. First one is create. Create, it is used to create a new table in the database. And then on syntax, first create table, table name, and column name or data types. That is, data type means domain. For example, the create table, employee means table name. Okay. And then next, name varchar. We have find the specify the varchar. And then email ID also varchar. And date of birth, that is date. Okay. This is the create. And second one is alter. So we can alter the any field or column, that is also used alter. It is used to alter the structure of database. This change could be either to modify or characteristics of the existing attributes. Attributes means here column. Okay, row means tuple. So attributes are probably to add a new attributes. And then here the alter syntax means alter table, table name, add means keyword. Okay. And then column name, column definition. And another one is modify existing column in the table. That syntax is alter table, table name, modify, column definition. For example, the alter table student underscore details, that is table name, and add. And then address also in the character. So varchar and then 20. And another one is alter table student underscore details, modify, that is also key, modify and add. So modify name also character, so varchar. So these are all the alter. And third one is drop. It is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. So we can delete the data. So we can use drop. The syntax is drop table name. For example, drop table employee. Employee means table name. These are the drop commands. And then final one is truncate. Truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space contained the table. The syntax is truncate table name, truncate table name. For example, truncate table employee. Employee means table name. So truncate means total space and another structure, everything should be deleted. So these are the truncate. And the next one is data manipulation language. That is, the commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all form of changing in the database. And second one is the command of DML is not auto commit. That means it cannot permanently save all the changes in the database. They can be rolled back, like a rollback. Here the commands are insert, update, and delete. First, we have to see insert. How to insert the data in the DDL command. First one is insert. Insert statement is a SQL query. It is used to insert data into the row of a table. So we can insert the data row. So first syntax is insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 2 up to n. And then values. Values also keyword. And value 1, value 2 up to n value. Or another thing is insert into table name values, value 1, value 2 up to value n. So these are the directly we have to specify the column and values. For example, insert into Java point, author, comma, subject, and values. We have to insert values. So author name and then subject name DBMS. So we have to insert the values. And the next one is update. Update. This command is used to update or modify the value of a column in the table. So modify the column value only we have to update. The syntax is update table, update table, update table name, set also keyword, and then column underscore name 1 is equal to value 1 up to column n name up to name equal to value n, where we here using condition, where condition. For example, update student setting means keyword and user underscore name equal to Sonu, where student ID, that is table name, equal to 3. So we have to change the student ID is equal to 3. And next one is delete. It is used to remove one or more row from a table. So we have to remove the data from row. The syntax is delete from table name where condition. And for example, delete from Java point where author equal to Sonu. So if you are giving this condition means the Sonu database will be deleted. And the next one is data control language. Data control language are used to grant and take back authority from any database user. Here there are two DCL command. First one is grant and second one is revoke. First one is grant. Grant means it's used to give user access, that is administration. Okay. And then for example, grant select, comma, update on my table to some user, comma, another user. So this is all the syntax for grant. And the next one is revoke. It is used to take back permission from the user. So we have to for example, revoke select, comma, update on my table from user1 comma user2. So this is also revoke. And then fourth one is transaction control language. The transaction control language can only use with DML commands like insert, delete, and update only. These operations are automatically committed in the database. That is why they cannot be used while creating table or dropping them. Here, there are three commands. First one is commit, rollback, and save point. The first one is commit. Commit command is used to save all the transaction to the database. And for the syntax is commit. To use query, for example, delete from customer, that is customer means table name, customer where age equal to 25, and finally commit. And the next one is rollback. Rollback command is used to undo transaction before one step back that have not already been saved to the database. The syntax is rollback. And for example, now we are giving command delete from customer. Customer means that is table name where age is equal to 25 and rollback. These are the rollback commands. And last one is save point. It is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without rolling back the entire transaction. Here the syntax is save point underscore name. This is also syntax. And last one is data query language. It is used to fetch the data from the database. It is used only one command, that is select. And the commands are the same as the projection operation of relational algebra. It is used to select the attributes based on the condition described by where cases. This syntax is select star from table name. And another one is select expression from table where condition. For example, select employee name from employee. Employee means table name. Okay. Employee underscore name means column name. So select employee underscore name from employee where age greater than 20. Okay. So these are all the SQL commands. Okay. Thank you.